Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how I cook corn on the cob in my Tupperware pressure cooker. I love this thing, it's wonderful. So first I'm going to pour a cup of water in the bottom. Then I've got corn that I have cleaned. And I'm just going to stick it in here. As many as I can fit. Oh, actually, I think we're just going to do 2 ears each. That's what we'll do. Because that'll be enough for another dinner. Okay, I'm going to pour some sugar on it. That's how I like to do it. Now you match your arrow with your arrow here. And then you turn it. And this is your handle. Oh gosh, it's been a while since I used this. Slide it in there. Push it, click it, that's it. I'm going to cook this in the microwave for 8 minutes. On high, and I'll be back when it's done. Okay, so it's been 8 minutes. Well, actually, it's been 10 minutes total because it took 2 minutes for the little thing to go down that tells me not to open it unless it's down. That's your pressure relief valve. So we're going to open this up. I'm going to turn it and away from us. And it smells wonderful. There is your pressure can of corn. Best corn there is. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Big hugs from my pantry to yours. Bye.